Hey, here's my friend, man, the hottest working lady at KTA, oh girl at KTA, right? Who's the fastest cook?
The man in the pan.
Okay, let's give a big shaka out of man in the pan. Shaka, shaka. That's the one.
Oh, shaka na tum.
My favorite person right here. Awesome. Welcome to the man and the pan. I'm going to do something very, very creative today. You know, I went to Daiso, found this amazing product, right? It is like a temperature gauge to show you how to boil eggs if you want it soft, medium, or hard. But more so, I got this Daiso thing where open it up, you poke the egg, there's a small hole. Boil the egg. It will come out perfect where the shell wouldn't stuck to the egg. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, the first thing you do when the water gets really hot, grab your eggs. I told you about this thing that's gonna make it really easy to, so you push it down, you push the egg down right like this, right? Okay, you heard that kick, okay? Put it in, 1, 2, 3 eggs in there, and I put in this, okay? Just put it in there so we can see at what level the egg's gonna be cooked, okay? And we'll be right back. Everything's all white, so it's hard boiled eggs. So, I got my cold water over here, okay? Grab the eggs, put it in here, shock it with the cold water. I'm gonna run out of cold water, and I'll be right back here to show you how the thing peels to see if this Daiso device works. So again, bought this, found at Daiso, and Daiso is gonna be opening in Hilo sometime in May. Right, here's the egg. Give it a couple cracks. Pan good to crack the egg, okay? Let's see if it peels easy like it, how it's, oh yeah, look. It's so easy to peel, right? And now this is our fresh local eggs, you know. It's from Mountain Apple brand eggs. Use your knife. You slice the egg. Look at that, perfect, right? Because what I'm gonna make is devil eggs, okay? Take out the egg yolk. I got all the egg yolk in here. Add in some mayonnaise. Just only use 3 eggs. I use maybe about a 1/8 cup of mayonnaise. Okay? That one in there, and I add a pinch of salt, pinch of pepper. So maybe a half teaspoon of vinegar, a half teaspoon of mustard. And I like to put in some relish, so maybe put 2 tablespoons. And mix it all up, just like this. Oh, the burger looks nice already. Look at that. I'll grab the bag like this, right? A baggie. I'll grab all the filling and I'll put it right in here. So just like this, okay? Put it in the bag. Right in the corner, I cut a small piece off. Just the corner piece, just like that. This, I pipe it in the egg. Just like that. Grab my paprika. It's not devil egg, it's not red, right? Put it on top. There you go. Deviled egg. The burger look good. Let's see how it tastes. Got the egg kneader and things from Daiso. Oh man. This burger is so on. Until next week, we see you on the man and the pan. Oh, good man. Oh, real good. Aloha.